don't start building a starship. It's not worth it. We all been there, especially Danish government always start with wanting to build starships. Start with building a bicycle and see if you can ride it and take it from there. It's the best thing to do. Small steps will get you along the way, and don't be scared to close something down in pride, because things will fail. But it's better to try 10 things and find the one thing that's actually working and shut down the other 9 things, and don't hang on to them because you have an idea they will work. And remember, humans are a creature of habit. So it's hard to change our process. It's more easy to change what is machine process already. So it's easy to look into that first. But the real value lies in underlying human, giving them more time to do what we do best. It's not about AI gonna replace a lot of people. It's gonna replace a lot of the things we don't want to do anyway.